this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to RotoCityTech. We are in a different location. So this is a room in the house, sitting here at my desk, because I wanted to go over a few of the credit card benefits and stuff that we have decided to do to go along with that Hyatt card that we reviewed and explained a couple videos ago. So I kind of wanted to break down a couple different credit cards and then explain how I'm going to go about redeeming these points for travel. Like I said, as we plan to go to Greece. So today I'm going to cover my favorite credit card right now. It's actually a charge card, not a credit card. I'm going to go over that and explain why I chose that. So, first up, American Express Gold Card. So, along with the what the people say is bling factor, this was a really great card for us. First of all, when I signed up for this card, it had a $50,000 membership rewards sign-on bonus when you spent $4,000 in the first 3 months. We had a couple big expenses coming up. We were redoing a bathroom. So we had to buy a shower pan, tile, all kinds of stuff at the department store, home improvement store, I mean. And so we used this card to buy those products, and we were able to reach the sign-on bonus fairly quickly. We did it in 2 months. So we got that $50,000 or 50,000 points in 2 months. And remember, this is a charge card, not credit card, so you have to pay this off every month. You can't have a balance rolling over. But one of the cons of this card is $250 a year to just have the card. I decided that the benefits were going to outweigh the cost of the annual fee, because you get 4 points back on restaurants worldwide. We go out to eat quite a bit, and so we use this card every time we go to a restaurant, and we get 4 times the points. Supermarkets, 4x, up to $25,000 spent in a year, which I don't suspect we'll spend more than that. So anytime we go to like our neighborhood Walmart, don't go to the super Walmarts, or you have to go to the neighborhood Walmarts, because the super Walmarts and the regular ones do not count as a groceries. So, or your local supermarket, whatever, we get 4x back on that. You get 3x back on airlines if you use this card, and then you get 1x on everything else. You also get purchase protection if you buy something and within 120 days of purchasing it, you get up to $10,000 of protection, $50,000 for the year. You can redeem that. The other thing that we use is you get a $120 credit for dining. They list a few different apps: Grubhub, Seamless, Boxed, and a few restaurants: Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris, and Shake Shack. Now, we don't have any of those 3 restaurants, but we do use Grubhub, and it splits it up into $10 per month. So you enroll on the website once you get the card. When you get on Grubhub, you just simply use your gold card to purchase the food, and then it automatically shows up on your statement, and it'll show a $10 credit. So we would be doing that anyway, so we're getting $10 a month, $120, so that you take that off the $250 annual fee, and now you're only down to $130 that you have to pay for this card. Above that, you get a $100 airline fee. So this is for your checked luggage or any incidental charges, as long as you purchase the flights with your American Express card. So you take that off. Now we're down to $30 annual fee, as long as you use that credit once a year. So that's pretty cheap for this card. That's pretty nice. You also get Amex offers. So when you get this card and you go to log in and stuff, you'll get down at the bottom, it'll say Amex offers. And it gives you a whole list of things like $15 off if you spend $50 at X store, whatever that is. Walmart. I've seen $30 off if you spend $100, I think, at Sunglass Hut. You just simply add those to your card, and you can go and you can save $20-30 if you're looking to already spend that money anyways. It's perfect. There is no foreign transaction fee And you also get $10,000 points, MR points, if you refer a friend, and you can do that. They cap it at 55,000 points for the year. So this card was perfect for us because we like to go out and eat, and we buy a ton of groceries because we typically, we eat breakfast and lunch at the house, and most of the dinners at the house. Weekends we go out, of course, when we travel and stuff. This card is awesome. I don't foresee us ever getting rid of this card. On top of all the cool benefits, when you get to hand this card over when you're paying for stuff, it gets quite the looks from people. Kind of makes you feel like you're somebody important when you may not be. So I wanted to total up the points that I have received on the American Express Gold, and we have, as of right now, 68,549 points, and we have gotten that in 5 months. Obviously, 50,000 of that was from the sign-on bonus, but about 20,000 points came from just our spending. So that breaks down to like 4,000 points a month or so in that 5-month span. So this is going to add up pretty quickly for us to be able to maximize this card. So that is the American Express Gold charge card that I use pretty much every single day. And in the next video, we're going to break down the points and how I think I'm going to be able to use all of my points to get the benefits that we want for our trip. So, as always, thanks for watching RotoCityTech, and we'll see you next time.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold so pure, divine, and I